What do you see happening in terms of interest rates this week in the U.S. as well as what Tony's talking about European rates as well?
Look, we're going to get a technical rally sooner or later, and it's going to snap people's heads back 20, 25%, maybe 40% on financials. But that's just the short run, because all this money they're throwing in is going to go somewhere. But in a longer term, what people are doing is they're looking for these bottoms because they're thinking the stock market is just acting like a baby. It's wrong and it's too nervous and it just needs to take a Valium and we're going to go back where we were. But you know, what's really happening is we're kind of repealing capitalism a little bit at a time. The stock market, Maria, has always been our society's way of deciding what deals are going to get done. We've been very productive. We've been very efficient. Everybody in the world copies us. Now we're having a bunch of central guys deciding what should go up, how do we allocate capital. That's much less efficient, and in the long run, that's what the markets are discounting. We're going to have a long time where we don't manage things effectively. We're going to have capital leaving, and so after this rally, we're still going to be facing a very difficult situation.
So how do you invest in this environment? You're the chief investment officer. You've got to operate your business regardless. What are you doing then?
Well, actually, cash is king. But I'll tell you what I have been buying. I've been buying safe bonds, and I prefer stocks, really, and at some point I will buy them. But I've been buying safe bonds, and I've been selling Treasury. By safe bonds, I mean really high-grade corporates. I mean mortgage bonds that are underwritten now by the government, like Fannie Mae's, very high-grade municipal bonds. You're going to get stock-like capital gains out of those things, and they're far less risky, and they're going to go up long before the stock market is really worth buying.
All right, gentlemen, we'll leave it there. Great to have you on the program. Daniel Frishberg, Chief Investment Strategist with Frishberg.